So today we're going to be taking a look at the Onyxcoin, the ticker XCN. And it's really quite interesting because in the last, let's say, 9 million tokens on QuantMarketCap, and specifically within the last single hour, it has actually become the second largest token that's really been moving. You know, the one that you'd be looking for, the one that's trending, in point of fact. And it's actually super easy to see why this is the case. Looking back over the last 90 days, it has achieved an incredible 28x return. Over the last 60 days, it's managed a 15x and a 13x within the most recent 30-day period. It's seen an impressive 21% increase just in the last 6 days and about 7% in the last 24 hours. And right now, it looks like it's starting to move again. However, there is one of those elements, that's being sold everywhere. Even though the BTC might be at 100, this particular token, well, it just doesn't care. It's going in its own direction, you see. So today, we are going to be doing a full analysis of it, and we're going to see exactly what's happening and what's going on. And you can actually see the chart right here. And looking over just the last month, it has already managed to achieve a rather substantial 13x. And the trading volume, it's been pretty good, especially within the last 24-hour period. And the market cap is steadily climbing, which of course is entirely normal. When there is significant trading volume, then obviously and quite frequently, the market cap will tend to increase. So you can observe the chart right here, looking at the performance over the last month, and we are going to dive into a detailed analysis of it. Now, if we look at the daily chart, it's something really quite cool, isn't it? This particular indicator that we're looking at. We've seen at least 3 distinct instances, where the price has really formed something of a point of interest.